Hello everyone, I am Anuja Sharvastav and I welcome you all in class 6 chemistry class. Today we will study about the topic that chemistry and the industry, which we were also studied in the previous video, but that topic will be carry forward. So what is the use of chemistry in soap and detergent? So generally the soap and detergent, they are made up of salts of sodium and potassium of certain hydrocarbons. Sodium and potassium salt of certain hydrocarbons. Now, if we will discuss about the soap are just like the cake of structure and they are in the solid form. And if we will discuss about the detergent, they are the powdered form of these combination. Now, how these soap and detergent help to washing and cleaning the clothes? So, what happened? When we are just going to soak the cloth in the detergent and we are going to wash the cloth with the help of soap, one end of these things are attached to the dirt particle and second last end of the dirt is attached to the water particle. That means one end of soap is attached to the dirt particle and last end of soap is attached to the water particle, and in the excess of water they are just going to remove the stain from the cloth. So this way they are going to help. Now just see the second topic, that is the plastic. Now plastics, when we are going to discuss about the plastic, each and every time the plastics are everywhere, you are watching the plastics everywhere. So plastic, it is of two types. First is the thermosetting. First is the thermosetting plastic and second is the thermoplastic. Now just look at the first name, thermo and setting. That means here two words are there, one is thermo and one is setting. That means the plastic which after heating is going to be set and it cannot be remolded again and again after heating. That plastic is known as the thermo setting plastic, and these plastics are usually bakelite and melamine. And this type of plastic, it is used to make handles of utensils. Now let's discuss about the thermoplastic. Here again thermo and plastic, but in this plastic the plastic can be remolded after heating. That means after heating the forms of plastic can be remolded again and again. The common thermoplastic is PVC, which is known as polyvinyl chloride, and polythene. This type of plastic is used for making toys. This type of plastic is also used for making electric and telephone wires. Toys, electric and telephone wires, and most of the things like polythene. I have written over here polythene. So this is about the polythene. Now let's start another topic, and the name of that topic is paint, enamel and dye. This is very important topic. First discuss about the paint. What is paint? So paint is a color thick substance which is made up of certain chemicals, just like the chemicals zinc, magnesium, aluminium, salt suspended in solvent. That means it may contain zinc and it may not be contain zinc. Now what is the use of paint? So I already told you that paint is used for color substance, so it is used for protecting the building. It is also used to make the building attractive. It is also prevent the rusting. It's also prevent rusting. Now the next one is here enamel. So enamel, these are organic substance and it is derived from resin of plants. Now these enamel, it may contain zinc or it may not contain zinc, but this enamel, how this enamel are useful? So this enamel are useful because it helps in the things to make attractive. It also protects the our organs, it also protects the things which is present in our house and it makes the attractive. Now the next thing is over here, the dye. Dye, it may be colored, it may be natural or synthetic, that means man-made. And dye, it is used for coloring the things. Now common red dye is alizarin red and indigo blue. These two are common dye which is used. Some natural dye is also used. Some natural dye is used just like turmeric. Then also red cabbage. So this is all about the paint, enamel and dye. But with these things, one important terms are also come, that is the stain. 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 Everyone is knowing about the stain. Stain is generally decolorization. It is decolorization of thing which cannot be easily removed. That means the things, the stain which may be on your cloth, that cannot be easily removed. So how these stain can be removed? If we will discuss about the stain of perspiration. Perspiration means the sweating. So this perspiration stain can be removed with the help of lemon and vinegar. If we want to discuss about the stain of blood and ink, so these are very tough stain. It can be the oxalic acid work hard on this type of stain. So this is about the stain and how these stain can be removed. Now let's start the another topic, that is silicones. Silicones, these silicones are very important because they are having high melting and boiling point. And these silicones, these are made up of silicon, with other chemicals. And this is very important because it protects the thing. It's also used for lining of refrigerator and furnace, which is also known as the bhatti. Now it also used for making the non-stick pans. Now let's see the last topic of this chapter, and the topic is now how chemistry is used for defense and how it is helpful for us. So that means the chemistry, different chemicals are useful for war and weaponry. Number of gases are utilized here, like chlorine, phosgene, which is commonly used for the things. Now one common name you already heard, RDX. You always heard about this thing, RDX, which is a chemical name TNT, and the full form of this TNT is trinitrotoluene. And this TNT, it is widely used for research. RDX, the full form of RDX is research, development, explosive. Now research, development, explosive, and one more thing is utilized, that is IED. The full form of IED is explosive device, that is improvised explosive device, which is used for roadside bomb. And full form of this one is improvised explosive device. So this is all about the chapter 1. I hope you all are understanding these things and watch the video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.